Hi, friends. I'm just going to jump in here and mention the details of Things We're Making Thursday. Things We're Making Thursday is a collaboration among many channels. It started with just a few, but there's so many people now that have joined. And so, everyone that I am aware of who has joined will be mentioned in the description box. And every month, there will be a free pattern that will be announced. The last Thursday of the prior month, we will announce the new pattern for the following month. And if you are interested in joining us, you certainly can do that either as a channel, just like us, or you can go to Facebook and join the Facebook group, or you can email any of us pictures of what you've made along with us, and we will show them on our channels. Now, there is a theme song. You heard it. I'm sure you've heard it on one or more channels. And that theme song was written by Jess at Hook Magic and her husband. And Heather at Strings and Threads keeps us organized as a group, giving us information and so forth. And I just wanted to invite you to join us if that's what you'd like to do. And I'll just use this little clip on all of my Thursday videos. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out via email and we'll do our best to answer them. If you would like to join along, just stay tuned. Every Thursday and the last Thursday of the month, you'll see what the new pattern is going to be. So we'll see you soon on Things We're Making Thursday.
Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Joanne, and this is To Crochet Curious. Well, we're trying something entirely new. You are in the yarn room, and we are using a complete filming setup so I can show what I'm doing. It's exciting. So, things we're making Thursday. Well, folks, things we're making Thursday. I got my bag together. La 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 la. And thank heaven because Mikey did his tutorial, and Heather from Strings and Threads reminded me that Erin said to, sew the sides first. And then I went back and watched the video just to make double sure I knew what I was doing at the bottom. And so I got that part down. So it's all sewn together. I have a couple of ends to put in, but basically it's done. Then I did do the top. You can see that I added a couple rows across the top to lengthen that blue. And the next thing is the handle. So I have, rather than choose the two blues as it, whoops, I just lost my earring, as it recommends, I decided to go with the green and put the green and the main blue together. Just make it a little brighter. And I also decided that I am not going to uh, fold over my handles. I've only made one handle so far, but instead I'm going to twist my handle. Gives the same effect of adding strength to the handle without me having to crochet up the whole seam. So, and then, when I put the handle in, it will, let me just kind of show. Okay, so I'm going to put a lining in it. So the handle will be twisted far more than it is twisted right this second. And then I'll have this opening to sling it over my shoulder if I choose to. Okay, so I had two materials in my stash that I could use for the lining. I have this, which mimics many of the colors, and it's very pastel-y. But then I had this, which mimics a lot of the colors and is bright. So I decided to go for the bright one. And I am going to line it with this. I think because the orange pops and the orange pops, I think it's, and the orange and the red, I mean, pop. I think it's totally cool to line it with this one. So that's what I'm going to do, and bust out my sewing machine this coming week. Um, so I have to make the lining and make the other handle, um, attach the handles, and install the lining. And then we'll be done. And it's the 5th week of the month next week. So works out perfect. And things we're making Thursday. And don't forget, we're also going to reveal the new pattern next week. So stay tuned for that. And I'm not sure yet. I don't know what the new pattern is. So I don't know if I will have time to do it or not, because I will be traveling part of July. And if I don't have time, then I may just talk about it and post some, short videos just promoting the fact that any of you can do this. So, um, and talking about what some of the other people have done. It's fascinating to watch all the videos and see all the different choices that people make and what happens with the colors they choose and so forth. So, very excited. I think this is just gorgeous, and I'm really happy it's going to be done in time for my trip. I'll be carrying it with me and using it on my trip. So awesome. All right, you guys, be sure and check out all the other channels. There's so many now. Um, I think this month alone, we've added 4 or 5 more creators. So next month, there's going to be even more doing it. So be exciting. We'll see what happens. Have a great evening. Bye now.